Hey Rising Queen family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're here at our family's home. We're gonna partake in some fufu and soup. So we're gonna take you guys with us. Be right back. Alright, so now Auntie's pounding the fufu. And this fufu is with, usually it's supposed to be with cassava, but this is plantain. This is plantain. All plantain.
Yeah, this one plantain cassava.
This one. That's plantain cassava. This is just plantain.
Plantain.
This looks really good. Can I try it, Auntie?
Yeah. Here, look at it. It's really
It looks really good. And what are we gonna have it with? What kind of soup? What kind is that? Hey, Grandma, what kind of soup is it? Palm soup?
palm soup.
Palm soup, yes.
You like palm soup?
I never had it before. So Auntie's just pounding up the
Make it.
Okay, Grandma wants me to make it, so.
Do like I can. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, I just do this. Okay. So you ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna focus here. I don't want any accidents. So
Ready? Hey. That blow I should Make it hard.
harder than this.
Yeah, hard.
Yeah.
Jeez.
But you each other. This one, no, this one down, and this one top.
Oh.
Then this one hard. Yeah.
Make it hard.
Hard.
Hey.
Okay. That was a workout.
This is go Jamaica. I make fufu Ghana.
Yes. Oh, I see.
So you gotta knead it while you hit it.
Yes.
Flip it.
But you need that. You look like this.
Okay. Wow.
See, Grandma's showing you the method right there. Huh? That's Auntie. Auntie, I deal with the fufu.
You
Babe,
like it soft.
Huh?
You like it soft.
Not too soft.
You don't like it soft.
not too soft.
Not too soft.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're gonna try?
I'm gonna show them how to do fufu, okay? Auntie,
Take off.
let me help you.
Hey. Hey. That blow, how many days? Tapi like I can. No, I haven't had your wife. So there's already no shoe. What shoe already?
Sister's gonna show me the rhythm. Hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Mary.
1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey.
Okay. Yes, Mary.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. What? Yes, babe. Yes. Good job.
See that? Original fufu maker here. Learn from the best.
Yes. with grandma and auntie. All right, so we're back. Our food is prepared. Like I said, we are having plantain fufu with palm soup, palm and fish. All right, so we're just gonna dig in.
All right, guys, see? Look at that. All right. Aye. Nice
We've
and
already
rich.
washed our hands.
Nice and rich.
So we're just gonna dig in here.
All right. First time trying fufu. Plantain fufu.
Very good. Wow.
Mm.
Nice, nice, nice.
Let me take out my glasses so you guys can see my eyes. This is good.
Wow.
Wow.
The flavors in the fish soup is crazy. Spicy. Trust me, guys. I've had fufu one time before. I didn't enjoy it at all. But this is really good.
So guys, to be honest, it's like mackerel. Yeah? So they cooked down mackerel with
Wow.
fufu.
Yeah. This is good.
The fufu taste is really, really good. Yeah? Look. I know they say just swallow, but I'm not used to swallowing. I gotta chew.
Yeah, same. Guys, this, grandma, 10 out of 10. Lovely, lovely. Thank you. I'm even sniffling because it's spicy. The spice is right. Wow. Yeah, this is good. This is good.
Wow. Very good, man.
Yeah. This is really good.
I never knew it would taste this good. It's very, very good. Nice and spicy. You guys know me. I love spice.
Wow. I'm gonna need more fish.
You hear Foodie? He's like, I think I'm gonna need more fish. When Foodie talks like that, you know what's up, right?
Or I'll just
Food
steal one of
good.
yours.
No.
Guys, you don't know what you're missing. Yeah, this is like bomb. Palm soup. I've never had palm soup in my life. This stuff is good. Thank you, man. Are you enjoying it?
Thank you. What's this?
Sunday.
Candy?
Shandy. So again, guys, this is plantain fufu. I really, really like it. Oh, sorry, babe. You know what? I think the last time I didn't enjoy it because I opted for goat soup. I didn't like it at all. But this, good. Hubby's first time, and he's a picky eater. So from you hear him say he likes it, you know it's the bomb. Mine is just a little hot. Should have made it cool a bit first, but what? And guys, you see I have my cover up. Anytime I come by grandma, make sure.
So grandma ain't a slackness. If you're well proper up, you know?
That's right.
Well covered.
So I walk with my gift from her.
She's so nice. Oh my
So
god.
nice. Our new bonus grandma. So good. So, we're gonna finish up here. What are we doing after dinner tonight?
We're gonna go by La Body.
Yes. So after dinner, we're gonna go by Labadi Beach. And you know what? Why not take you guys with us? We went to...
So quick question, let's do a rating, right? The fish. What would you rate the fish out of 10?
11.
And the palm soup?
10.
10?
Yeah.
And the fufu?
10.
Okay. Guys, I agree. I rate the fish, 'cause I love fish. I give it a 10 out of 10. The fufu, I give it 10 out of 10. I didn't expect it to be this nice, but it's very, very nice. It's like mashed potato, nice, creamy, smooth mashed potato, but it's better.
Yeah.
Right? And the palm soup, it's actually very nice. It has a nice flavor, and it's nice and spicy. I liked it, very nice. I give the whole dish a 10 out of 10. And not because it's grandma, you know me, I'm straight. It's good.
Yeah. These guys weren't here. Some of them a while ago. Trying to steal my soup.
Still getting used to how to eat it,
Yeah.
right? But I'm learning. By the time I leave, I'll be an expert.
You use them all 5 fingers? Oh. That's like 3.5.
The fish is so nice and meaty.
Yeah.
Hmm? Look at the meat on the fish. Oh, meat.
This is good. I'm full. And guys, I'm supposed to have rice ball, which is coming soon. And I just couldn't wait to start eating, but I finished. I have to get more fish. Probably have to take it to go. I'm full already. And you know, Grandma was gonna give me more. I wouldn't have been able to handle more. Wow, this is good. I'm surprised yours is not more spicy because you added pepper. Mine, I didn't even add no pepper.
No, you know I love spice, right?
This is good. So yeah, before I was saying I didn't like fufu because I had it before, but I take that back times 100. I picked the wrong one. I had goat soup with fufu in the past. I didn't like it. The goat was very gamey. I just wasn't a nice experience. But this, yeah, next time I know what to opt for.
The fish one.
Fish. Or even, do they do chicken? No?
I'm not sure.
Well, we'll find. I'm gonna ask and see if there's a. Comment down below if they do chicken soup or chicken with the soup and fufu or rice balls. I would definitely do like fish or chicken, not goat. Just my personal preference. I'm cool. I have to go wash my hands. I'll go wash my hands. That was good.
Alright guys, we'll get back to you soon, alright? I'll finish smashing this up so you don't know the thing go. Back.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I sure did. That fufu was amazing. Amazing. Huge shout out to Grandma. I love the cooking. Again, I had plantain fufu with palm nut soup and fish in it. And I want to make a public apology, okay? I said it a couple of times that I've had fufu in the past and I didn't enjoy it. So, public apology, bomb. As you guys saw earlier, I gave it an 11 out of 10. The spices, the flavors, everything was on point. So shout out to Ghana, shout out to your national dishes. I haven't tried banku yet, and there's another one I'm supposed to try. I don't remember the name, but so far you guys, we've tried jollof, awesome. We tried fufu today, awesome. We had kelewele, we had suya. I didn't film the suya, but I had it the other night and it was amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna keep bringing you guys with me. Earlier I mentioned I was supposed to go to Labadi Beach tonight, but I'm beat. I'm tired. The guys went out without us, ladies, so they can have fun. Hubby's out. I'm sure they'll enjoy themselves. They're gonna head over to Labadi Beach. We already visited Laboma Beach, which I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. So tonight I'm gonna take it easy. I have a jam-packed day tomorrow and I'll be bringing you guys with me. So again, if you like this video and you enjoyed it and you'd like to see us experience more of the cultured food here in Ghana, comment down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.